get his handling sorted out in that 5 truck.
But nice to see something out here other than an S10.
Yeah, absolutely. Getting ready to come in the green. Here comes one over.
Hanging on to the lead with Jake Beaver still looking to his outside. Nolan Caldwell and Bob Johnson side by side.
Tortilla Barney Gerber, brand new truck this year, trying to work things out, work some of them bugs out. Truck was really stable on the bottom, painted right on that white line.
Yeah, he said they made some pretty drastic changes for him last week. He's working out for him right now. As we come in with the house, he's smoking his left front through the corner there, trying to get it to hook up and drive down up the Barney.
443 at Eddie McLean just into the back of the Mike Stuber machine. And I think Eddie...
if he can, but I don't think Barney's going to give him any kind of a gap there, so he's going to have to thread the needle. Green flag Jake Beaver's taking the advantage and getting out into the lead in front of Barney Gerber.
And caution on the speedway, the 5 of Jimmy Reel spins in turn number 4 as Bob Johnson had to get.
This year, I think he ran this truck once last year, and outside of that, it's been a couple years since he really climbed in this.
Getting ready to go back, green flag racing, leaving the Beavers.
Beavers taking an early start there, but Stuber sticking it in there to stay with it. Mark Lucius looking to the inside. Stuber now for second. Stuber still fighting on the outside of Beavers. Beavers gets a little loose, gives the 442 the advantage going into the corner. And it looks like he's going to slide in as they take the left side. Still lighting up that tire as he gets split by the 29 and the 443 as they go in, and he wisely backs out. The 442, Eddie McLean, Mark Lucius, Jake Beavers, Barney Gerber, Bob Johnson, Nolan Caldwell, and John Reel pulling out of the infield there.